So now we're testing the fault loop impedance of P1 circuit on this installation, and before I do any testing of this type I have to make sure that this is all de-energized. Okay, you can see it's locked off, there's nothing coming through, but I always like to double check. And what we have to do now is we have to connect the earth and the active at the board and then go out to the power point furthest away and test between the active and the earth to check that fault loop. So, the MEN's loose because I've taken it out from before. I'm going to connect the active from P1 to the earth, the MEN. It's already disconnected. It's sort of an easy way to do it rather than take out the actual earth. We know it's coming back to the earth bar. So if I can get contact on both of these with an alligator clip, excuse me, should make it a lot easier. To test. So I'm thinking it seems that I've got good contact on both of those there. So now if I go to the furthest power point and I go between my active, make sure the switch is on, and my earth, it gives me a reading of 0.42. So now if I go to table 8.2 and I look, I know it's a C-type 20 amp circuit breaker on a 2.5, the RPH is 1 ohm. So a reading of 0.42, well below 1 ohm. So this circuit is compliant with respect to fault loop impedance.